Security token offerings can drastically change how startups raise money and how they're collecting investments from their investors. My name is Max Kops and I've been dealing with security token offerings for years, and I've been writing the best-selling book Assets on Blockchain, which is exactly related to this topic of security token offerings. And in this free audiobook, I'm going to explain to you how security token offerings work and why they are relevant for startups. So I'm going to explain why in many cases security token offerings, in the short form STOs, can be more efficient, faster, cheaper, and easier to handle when you as a startup offer your company shares to investors, and why it enables specific types of fundraising such as crowdfunding. So let me take you through this audiobook and explain you every single detail. However, we're not going to dive very deep into the technical things because this audiobook is fully delighted to giving you the perspective of a startup on this topic. You might not be interested in the technical details because what matters at the end of the day is that you as a startup collect the investments you need, and the technology is just the driving force that's enabling you to do so. So my goal is to explain you the very basics of security token offerings, explain you the advantages, and give you the option to evaluate whether a security token offering can be the right choice for you to do your fundraising. So nothing what I say here shall be ever considered as any type of financial or legal advice, because everything I do say here is just my experience and my personal opinion that I've collected over the last years, and that I've especially collected during writing the book Assets on Blockchain and working with a couple of projects. Furthermore, let me just remind you that I have a lot of content online on my blog maxkops.com, and I also provide further material on assetsonblockchain.com. If you, after listening to this audiobook, decide that you want to learn more, definitely check out assetsonblockchain.com, get the book, get the full audiobook, check out our courses, or even get certified, and you will be the master of security token offerings. So I'm very happy to welcome you here one more time, and let's get started.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?